Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Powerhouse Ideas. I'm again back with a power-packed analysis of Nifty 50. I'm getting requests from so many traders that please analyze Nifty 50 and where are the key support levels, where can be the reversal point, and where we can see some bullish momentum. So for that purpose, I'll be analyzing Nifty 50 and making my predictions for Monday, that what can be the possible move on Monday. With all the logics, nothing in the air, with all the logics and with all the levels. So as you can see in front of your screen, it is a daily chart, that is every candle represents a day movement. In this video, I'll be including three important things. One is the concept of price action and how price moves. Second, the concept of Fibonacci retracement and how it can be used for identifying counter trades. What are counter trades? When the trend is down, but you are able to find a move on the opposite side. This is called a counter trade. How do you find that? I will be explaining you that in a very clear manner. Third, the use of option chain analysis along with price action. So as you can see in front of you on the screen, Nifty has been falling from so many consecutive days with only one green candle in between. Right. Now let us analyze it further and let's move to a smaller time frame. This is a 2-hourly time frame for you. For purpose of saving your time, I am doing some magic and I am bringing the levels automatically. So these are the levels in front of you which I have identified. I'll be explaining you reasons, but for the purpose of saving your time, I have plotted the levels before starting the video itself. So as you can see on the screen, these blue trend lines are forming a symmetrical kind of triangle, and we saw a breakdown of this triangle on the previous trading day. We can see that this trend line at the bottom was working as a support and this trend line at the top is working as a resistance, thereby forming a triangle pattern. Now the Nifty is standing near to 17,600 level. Why this level is important? Let me take you a bit into the history. You can see it over here. One time, two time, third time, fourth and fifth. 5 times Nifty has respected this level and worked as both support and resistance. Now also we can see some of the rejections at this level. Some of the rejections we can see at this level, that is the level is being respected right now. So the most important key level to watch on Monday will be 17,600. Right. So this is an important level for Monday which you should watch out, and if this level breaks, we will be reaching to the next key level, that is 17,500. I'll be correlating these levels with the option chain, so kindly stay till the end and I'll be showing you that how you can take counter trades against the main trend, because right now the trend is negative, but how you can find a trade which is against the negative trend, that is bullish. Right. For that, let me explain you with the help of a Fibonacci retracement tool, and let me show you how does it work. But before moving to that, let me tell you that whenever market moves in one direction, it does not move in that direction without a retracement. As you can see, when the market was moving down over here, it gave a pullback. Now in this leg of this swing, we haven't seen a pullback which we saw over here. Pullback is a clear movement to the upside. This is not a pullback. Pullback is a clear movement to the upside which has not been seen till now. And it never happens in the market that a pullback won't happen and the market will continue downwards. As per technical analysis and as per price action, whosoever has shorted in these positions will be doing some short covering which will be creating some bullish pressure and a pullback will be done. But now the question is that how do we trade this pullback and up to which level we trade this pullback? For this, I'll be giving you an example from this chart only. Let us place the Fibonacci extension on the previous swing. Let us connect the top and the bottom of the swing. This was the previous down move which we saw over here. As you can see, when the market was moving down, it created a pullback. Now the important point to consider is up to what level the pullback was created. It was created exactly to the level of 0.5. And in Fibonacci retracement, it is said that till the time the pullback does not crosses the level of 61.8 till that time the trade has not reversed, the price has not reversed. So let us analyze it further and see that how we can apply this level onto the next move. We have till now understood that when a retracement happens, it retraces generally up to the level of 38.2% or 50%. And till the time 61.8 is not crossed, which is also called the golden ratio of Fibonacci series, till that time the trade or the price has not said to be reversed. The same was seen over here. The price came down, was not able to break above the 0.5 and again had a fall. Now the question is, when can the retracement can be seen? As we can see, the Nifty is standing at a very important point, that is 17,600, which has been respected so many times in the recent history. By seeing this continuous fall on the downside without major retracement, we understand that being on the supports and the retracement is due, we might see a pullback. But the question is, up to which level? Now let us place Fibonacci extension on the lower part of the swing, on the second swing. Let us connect the top and the bottom of the swing. Now the question is to see that where the 50% retracement is coming out. As you can see on the screen, the 50% retracement is coming out at a level of 17,973, which can be rounded off to 17,800. As you can also see that 17,800 also comes to be a very important level as per the charts also. Not only as per Fibonacci, but also as per the charts, it is a very important level. Over here we can see a gap and over here we can see a support at this level. So what I anticipate is that we might see a retracement on Monday for the first target of 38.2%, that is 17,900, and the second target of 17,900 and 18,000. This is 18,000, not 17,900. It is 18,000. And 18,000 also supposed to be a good support over here, right? So this is how you can play a counter move in the overall downtrending market. But please make it sure that you follow a strict stop loss, because you are doing something which is against the trend using Fibonacci series. Now let us get the example and let us see the same with the help of option chain, that how these levels are identified on option chain analysis. As we understood that 17,800 is the 50% retracement, let us see this on option chain, that what are the key levels. On the front of your screen you can see it's a Nifty option chain for the expiry of 3rd November. Let us see the key levels. As already informed in the previous video, the call side, the call positions, the call writing works as a resistance and the put writing works as a support. We are right now at an amount of the spot price of 17,671. So let us find some important resistance. This is the first resistance, that in 17,700, which will work as a resistance. We can see that 25,000 contracts has been added at this level. Let us see where is 17,700 on charts. 17,700 on charts is supposed to be at this level. Let me mark that level for you. Here is 17,700. As you can see, we have marked 17,700. It is also some of the price action can be seen at this level, but the price action is not much. I'm connecting the option chain with the price action and let us see how option chain reflects on the technical analysis. Now let us see the next key resistance. The next key resistance is 17,750. Let us see the importance of this level. 17,750 somewhere over here. Over here also exactly at 17,750 we can see some price action. So the option chain is connecting to the technicals. Now let us see next major resistance on the upside. The next major resistance which happens to be on the upside is 17,800. Now whether this is magic, that 0.50% retracement as per Fibonacci also comes out to be this level. No, sorry, 38.2% as per Fibonacci also comes out to be this level, and supposedly the same also comes out to be the strongest level as per the option chain, the nearest strongest level. We can see it again. That 38.2 is 17,889, which is the same level if we adjust the area as per the option chain as well. Now what's most important is to see the major resistance on the upside. The major resistance on the upside is 143674, highest of the all. And the good part is that 18,000 is also 0.50% of the Fibonacci retracements. Means if the Nifty bounces back from here, so as per the Fibonacci as well, we can find this level of 18,000 important. As per the price action as well, we can find this level of 18,000 important. And as per the option chain as well, we can find this level of 18,000 important. So this is how we connect all the option chain, the price action and the Fibonacci retracement. So what I anticipate, as per my opinion, that we might see a bounce back from here up to the level. First target shall be 17,889 rounded off to 17,900 and then the target of 17,800. Till the time Nifty does not crosses 18,058. 18,058 is 61.8% का लेवल. जब तक ये लेवल क्रॉस नहीं होता हम टोटली बुलिश नहीं होंगे. और हम देख सकते हैं कि जहां पर 18,058 का लेवल आ रहा है वहीं पे हमारी मेजर सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस भी है. सो हमें एटलीस्ट फॉर बीइंग पॉजिटिव फॉर द डेज टू कम वी नीड द क्रॉसिंग ऑफ द गोल्डन रेशियो दैट इज 61.8. But if we want to play the counter trade, that is a trade against the main trend, that is the negative trend, then we can play with the help of Fibonacci, which we can see it over here also, because here also the retracement was up to 0.50. So on the same basis, we might see a retracement up to 0.50, and then if it has to fall, we can see a further fall. So this trade can only be taken with proper stop loss, and if we see a gap down on Monday, then this trade will not be active. On the downside, we can see the level of 17,500 as the major support. Now let us see that whether this is a support as per option chain analysis or not. As you can see on the support side, 17,500 is also having the major option chain, which is as per technical analysis as well. As per technical analysis also, this level is a major support, because from this level only we saw this big rally. So option chain and technical analysis both say that on the downside 17,500 should not be broken. If this is broken, we might see a serious fall on the downside. Okay, so these are all the levels for you. This is all the understanding about option chain. One last very important thing, you can see that the call resistance, call writing side, that is the resistance side, is having a huge call writing, and on the support side, the put writing is not having such huge supports except at the level of 17,500. So the bearishness is still in the market. That's why we are planning to take a counter trade. Now let's see how it rolls out in the real market. So this is all for Nifty 50 which I have for you. ठीक है, अब आपको मार्केट में कैसे रहना है, आपका एनालिसिस कैसे करना है आप देखोगे. दिस इज माय एनालिसिस, नॉट अ ट्रेडिंग टिप, बट दिस इज हाउ आई विल बी सीइंग मार्केट ऑन मंडे. So I'll be coming up and seeing you in the next video. Till that time, take care of yourself and take care of your profit. Bye bye.